Hello, everyone! Today, we're excited to showcase our innovative project titled AI and AR for Precision Agriculture, Predicting Plant Diseases Using Environmental Data. This project is designed to empower farmers by using AI and augmented reality technologies to predict potential plant diseases based on environmental conditions like temperature, humidity, and soil moisture. Farmers can also detect disease by clicking real-time photo of plant and get pesticide suggestion. Our system consists of 3 key components: IoT sensors that collect real-time environmental data like temperature, humidity, and soil moisture, a machine learning model that analyzes this data and predicts probable plant diseases, an augmented reality AR app that visualizes the sensor data and prediction results for easy interpretation. Here, you can see our IoT setup collecting real-time data. The Node MCU uploads this data to the cloud using Firebase, ensuring seamless connectivity between the field and our applications. Our journey begins with farmers accessing the system. They can easily log in, register, or reset their passwords using our intuitive interface, ensuring a seamless and secure start to their smart farming experience. Once logged in, farmers can explore the home and dashboard pages. Here, they'll find detailed insights into the technical aspects of the project, including sensor data and AI analytics, displayed in a user-friendly format. With just a photo upload, our system identifies the disease affecting the plant and provides precise pesticide recommendations. This feature helps farmers act quickly to protect their crops. For on-the-go solutions, farmers can also use their phone cameras to capture plant images. The system instantly analyzes the photo, identifies the disease, and suggests the most effective treatment, all in real time. Our AI application takes farming to the next level by analyzing data collected from sensors. By forecasting probable future diseases, farmers can take proactive measures to prevent crop loss and maximize yield. Experience the power of augmented reality. By scanning an AR sticker, farmers gain a 3D visualization of critical farming data, including temperature, humidity, soil moisture, and even probable diseases. AR makes monitoring and decision-making easier than ever. Our AR-enhanced smart agriculture project is not just a tool, it's a revolution. By blending artificial intelligence, IoT, and AR, we're transforming the way farmers protect their crops and ensure sustainable farming practices. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support innovative solutions for our farmers.